Welcome to the channel. Today, we're bringing you a spectacular view of the famous Forth Bridges and the quaint town of Queensferry. Relax and take in some amazing drone shots that showcase the beauty of these incredible landmarks and their surroundings. If you enjoy the video, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. Let's explore the magic of Scotland together. Welcome to Scotland, home to one of the most iconic feats of engineering, the Forth Bridges. Towering over the Firth of Forth, these three magnificent structures represent the best of human ingenuity across 3 centuries. The oldest, the Forth Bridge, completed in 1890, is a masterpiece of Victorian engineering. Its grand steel cantilever design was groundbreaking, and today, it's recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stretching between the historic towns of North and South Queensferry. This bridge is not just a way to cross the river, it's a symbol of Scotland's industrial strength and architectural innovation. Engineer Benjamin Baker, along with John Fowler and their team, used 3 men, 2 chairs, and some materials to demonstrate how the Forth Bridge's cantilever design worked. This simple model became almost as famous as the bridge itself, although some versions didn't always look as reliable. The model wasn't just to explain the design, it was also a way to rebuild public trust in engineering. In the 19th century, new construction methods were being used, but some big failures, like the Tay Bridge disaster in 1879, which killed around 75 people, made people nervous. The Forth Bridge model helped ease those fears by showing how strong and safe the bridge would be. In 2001, a major refurbishment of the Forth Bridge began. Over the next 10 years, large parts of the bridge were covered in scaffolding with special screens to prevent debris from contaminating the environment during sandblasting and painting. After stripping the old paint down to the metal, any damaged steelwork was repaired. The steel was then thoroughly cleaned, and 3 protective layers of paint were applied over 230,000 square meters. This was done both by airless spray and by hand in hard-to-reach areas. Thanks to these new techniques and materials, the bridge won't need a full repaint for at least 20 years, finally ending the myth that painting the Forth Bridge is a never-ending job. If you know any interesting facts about the Forth Bridge, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear them. Beside it stands the Forth Road Bridge, opened in 1964, which replaced a centuries-old ferry crossing. This bridge, a suspension design, played a crucial role in connecting the region. However, by the early 2000s, it was struggling under the weight of modern traffic. Designed for 11 million vehicles a year, by 2006, it was carrying over 23 million. Inspections revealed that its suspension cables were weakening, and experts warned that without major repairs, It might need to close by 2019. The threat of losing this vital connection linked to discussions of building a new crossing. Environmentalists raised concerns, but the need for a new bridge became clear. In 2007, after much debate, plans for a third bridge were confirmed. Enter the Queensferry Crossing. Opened in 2017, this cable-stayed bridge is a true wonder of modern engineering. At 207 meters tall and 2.7 kilometers long, it's the tallest bridge in Scotland and the longest of its kind in the world, featuring 3 central towers with cables that cross each other in mid-air. The construction had 150,000 tons of concrete and 35,000 tons of steel, an immense feat. Unlike the older bridges, the Queensferry Crossing was built to handle high winds. It features wind shielding, ensuring fewer closures, a common issue on the Forth Road Bridge. And with 2 lanes of traffic in each direction, hard shoulders, and space for buses during stormy weather, it offers a smooth and safe journey over the Firth of Forth. This bridge is a symbol of Scotland's future, standing alongside its storied past. Together, these 3 bridges spanning more than 100 years of engineering history define the landscape and continue to connect communities. So, next time you visit, take a moment to slow down, stand beneath these mighty structures, and appreciate the incredible human effort that went into creating them. Scotland's Forth bridges are truly engineering marvels, past and present. Over a century after its completion, the Forth Bridge remains an engineering marvel. This 2.5 kilometers steel cantilever bridge carries a double railway track, 46 meters above the Firth of Forth. Its 3 towers, over 100 meters tall, rest on massive granite piers, with the superstructure weighing over 50,000 tons and built using 6.5 million rivets. As Britain's first major steel structure, it was made possible by advances in steel production. Despite the challenges, it set a new standard in design, becoming the longest cantilever span of its time and still the second longest today. South Queensferry is a lovely town just outside Edinburgh, connected to Fife by the famous Forth Bridges. Recently named the UK's second prettiest town by The Telegraph in 2023. It's full of history and has lots to see and do. You can stroll along the charming granite streets, enjoy a drink at a historic inn, or relax at a cafe by the water with stunning views of the bridges. The River Forth is great for exploring. Take a walk around the marina, hop on a boat tour, or visit nearby attractions like impressive houses and parks. It's also a fantastic base for walking and cycling. You can enjoy scenic trails and visit landmarks like Beanie Craig and B. Craig's Country Park nearby. If you're visiting the capital of Scotland, Be sure to explore this adorable historical town, just 10 miles from Edinburgh. Have you ever visited Queensferry? If so, don't forget to comment below with one of your favorite restaurants and a must-try dish. I'd love to try it next time. Hope you enjoyed the beautiful Queensferry bridges from a bird's eye view. If you know any interesting stories or facts about these 3 bridges, please comment and share them with us. We'd love to hear what you have to say. I hope you enjoyed the stunning bird's eye view of the Queensferry bridges. Keep watching these amazing drone shots. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fantastic videos about Scotland. If you have any recommendations for places we should visit in Scotland, please leave a comment. We're excited to see where we should go next. Thanks for watching. See you soon.